Hi, this is Morgan Williams with MW Design. Wanted to share something with you, to my fellow designers. Um, I've been using Adobe InDesign 22 years now, and it's been missing one feature that's just kind of bugged. Uh, Otherwise, I just love InDesign. I just don't know why they haven't implemented this in the application. Did a little research with some online forums, and I can't take credit for writing this for myself, but I pieced together a JavaScript that runs inside of Adobe InDesign scripts panel. So let me quickly show you what it does. Historically, when you want to do a clipping path on an image, you'll notice this grid of images I've got placed off to the right. I've got the top left helmet image selected, and you got to go to the object menu down to clipping path options, bring up this dialog box, select Photoshop path, and select the correct path and hit OK, and then voila, you've got your knocked out background or a clipped image. Works fine, it's just kind of slow. So watch this. I'll select all of these images that I've got placed off here to the right. Yep, we're all good. Now watch, I go down here to the scripts panel in the lower right. You'll see under user, there's one called multi-clipping paths. That's the JavaScript file I'm talking about. If I right mouse click on it and hit run script, boom. All those images got their clipping paths activated instantaneously as a group. Anyway, big time saver for me. Really grateful for a variety of people that I encountered on some Adobe support forums. Developer pieced in, some tidbits. But anyway, I put the file together, tested it, had some rough encounters with it, crashing my computer. Everything seems to be going all right now. I'm using the latest version of Adobe InDesign at the moment, which is version 16.2.1. This is July 2021. So anyway, that's about it. In the description, I'll put the download to the JavaScript file. And by the way, just to show you here, if I go edit script on that file, you can just see the details of exactly what it does. No, it does not launch any pranks or malware on your computer. However, just a heads up, I would test it out first by just running InDesign alone with nothing else. Make sure it works okay for you. I found that if I had a lot of applications open, and actually while I was doing the screen recording, it crashed on me multiple times, probably due to lack of memory, is my guess. But anyway, I closed everything down, tried another means of screen recording, and it works very reliable. It's really handy to have. So I'll describe where it goes, but this window you see up here right now shows you it's in my user library folder, preferences, Adobe InDesign, version 16 or whatever version you currently use, ENUS, English version, United States for InDesign, scripts folder, scripts panel. That's where I dropped the JavaScript file. Just so you know, the easy way to find that location is just open the scripts panel in InDesign, go down to user, right click on that and hit reveal in Finder, and boom, this window will pop up, and you just go down to scripts panel below that. That's where you put your JavaScript. So if you don't know how to get your library file visible in your user directory, which you do by holding down the option menu and going up to Go in the Finder menu. That's the long way to do it. The fast way is just right mouse click on User inside of Scripts and reveal in Finder. Anyway, that's it. Restart InDesign, boot it up, give it a shot. Anyway, I love this little goodie. It's been handy for me. I've only had it a couple weeks. I do a lot of magazine production, catalogs and stuff. That it's just a big help. By the way, just to protect myself, what I've got here up here as an example is Parts Europe magazine. It's a article spread that I did back in June. And anyway, that's owned by Parts Unlimited and Parts Europe. The magazine is published by Don MD Inc. All of the images by Icon are property of Icon. All of this I'm using just to demonstrate this little handy script. So anyway, hope it's of help.